Step into the Volkswagen 2013 Passat TDI SE with sunroof and nav. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, temporary spare tire and sun moonroof. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.